Welcome to Miss Irreplaceable. In this video I'll tell you some basic tips that you can use to make aesthetic notes. For me, it's impossible to make notes without highlighter. Let me tell you which highlighters you should use, and it's not necessary to have lot of colors, only 2 are enough, I think so. Don't use the dark highlighters. Use bright colors so it will give aesthetic look. For writing you can use a simple black gel or ball pen. Here I always use this black gel pens. And for colorful handwriting you can use colorful glitter pens. I normally use 2 highlighters and black pen for writing the heading or title. Don't simply write the heading, increase the font size and write it in calligraphy and use highlighters to enhance it. Again the same thing. Use your highlighters and pen and make the borders. Just you need to draw random flowers and leaf and yeah, it's all ready. I'll suggest you just write in simple and neat handwriting so that it will be easy for you to learn them during exams. Aesthetic notes: if you are making then I think not to use colorful papers, just use simple white plain paper. And with this your aesthetic notes can be completed. Thank you so much for watching and please subscribe my channel as I really need your support. If this video is useful to you then please press like button and share with your friends.